Hey guys, I'm Victoria and welcome to my channel. I've created this Christmas holiday look, winter look. I hope that you enjoy it, so please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Primer and base for blur, redness, and control pigments to blur, and I just put this all over my face where I'm red. Now I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, oil-free with SPF 20 sunscreen. I like to shake it up before I use it just to get all the separation, good mix. And I just go in with my fingers with this. I just dot it on my face. Next, I'm taking this Tarte, it's a sample size, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to spot conceal my face. Oh, this is in Fair Neutral, 12 in. And I'm just going to use my fingertips to blend that in. Now I'm just going to take this Ciate translucent powder and powder my face. I'm just going to take this e.l.f. eyebrow kit and do my brows. Now I'm going to take this 35C Everyday Chic Morphe palette. And I'm just going to do a simple eye look. I'm going to take this brush. And I'm going to go in with this cream shade right here. And put that all over the eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this taupey shade right here. And put that in the outer V. Now because I have hooded eyes, I'm bringing shade up further above my crease to basically mimic a new crease like I'm doing right now. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And now I'm just going to bring that shade down below on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this gold champagne color, and I'm just going to put that right here. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that taupe shade and just marry that in with that glitter. Blend it together. Now I'm just gonna take this Tarintino I Dream highlight Hyperliner and line my eyes. Now I'm just going to go in with this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and bronze up my face. And I'm just going to take this Master Chrome by Maybelline and use this to highlight my face. And I'm just going to take this Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Pink Rose and outline my lips. And now I'm just going to take the Stay Fierce Ulta Beauty lipstick and just pat this on my lips. This H2O Tarte lip gloss. Forgot the name of it, and I'm just going to